안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘은 유명한 장원영 머리 스타일 해볼게요. 힘들 것 같아요. 힘들지만 시작해볼게요. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try to do the famous Wonyoung hairstyle. It's quite famous right now, so I'm really excited to do it. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video. So for this tutorial I'm gonna use this curling iron, which is from Idollens, and I'm using it on 180 degrees and the thickest attachment I have. I also have a hair clip and a brush. So first we're gonna section off our hair. I'm gonna start with this side. So we're gonna put this in the back. Okay, I'm separating it like this. And put this right here. So first all we're gonna do is outward curls. So basically roll my hair around like that and hold it for a couple seconds. And while I'm releasing it, I just hold it for a few more seconds. And let it go. And this is how it looks like. We're not touching or brushing it. And we're just gonna do this with the whole side. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna put the hair in the back behind my ears and release this part to the front. So, and with this part you have to be really careful that it's the same direction, like the wave goes the same direction. So I'm starting from the very top. And now I'm putting my bangs with the other hairs together. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And the top section, like the other side. Also outward curls. Okay, now I'm gonna check if everything is like really even. And if I think it's even enough, I'm gonna brush it out first. So now I'm gonna take my brush and we're gonna gently brush from bottom to top. Now I'm gonna do some small adjustments. So meet the wave here. Okay. So now the hair looks good. Now we're gonna do the front part, which is pretty easy. You're just gonna take a section, a small one, and put it around like this and hold it. Gonna do another section, a little bigger. Hold, release. Now we're gonna do the other side. If you want, you can use a comb and kind of tease the top of your hair a little bit to give yourself more volume, but I'm gonna keep it as it is, I think. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next one. Bye!